Welcome to the evening recap for Monday, December 13th. So we had a precarious day in the market today with the Dow closing just above 20 or just below 20 and the S&P pretty much flat. So intraday we were actually up almost about 60 points, and then late in the day we had a sell-off, which is why we see this inverted hammer where we have a long wick to the upside right at resistance. Even though we closed in the positive, the bulls were not able to hold on to their gains late in the day. So this is very interesting to see if tomorrow the bulls can give it another shot to close above this resistance at 11,450, or if the bears come in and continue this momentum to the downside. So right now, if you look back 4 days ago, we also had a long wick to the upside, but the bulls were able to carry it back up. Today we have a long wick to the upside as well. So let's see if the bulls still have some more bullets in their guns, or if the bears are going to start to take profits and go into options expiration with a little bit of volatility. If we look a little closer to some of the particular stocks, a lot of these stocks are actually setting up for a possible beginning of a bearish run. If you look at Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC, you can see that we're hitting resistance here at about 1275. We opened the day higher, but look at this bearish engulfing candle where we engulfed Friday's range. And so if we do go bearish, Bank of America can go all the way back down to about $11, which is bigger than a 10% drop. So a lot of these stocks have these inverted hammers inside of them. So let's take a look at a few more that have the same setup. Looking at Best Buy, you can see Best Buy here broke through support a few days ago. Today we gapped up higher, but then we traded lower. So this previous support here is looking like it could act as new resistance, especially on increased volume. So look at Best Buy. If this thing drops below the previous low here of about 41.47, look for Best Buy to potentially drop even further going into options expiration or even to the end of the year. So these are a few stocks that you want to put on your bearish watch list instead of the many that we've compiled over the weeks in the bullish watch list. Another prime example of a fake out here is in CLF, which is Cliff Natural Resources. We obviously broke higher above the prior high, and we actually trade as high as 77.50, and I was actually looking to be bullish on this, but towards the end of the day, you can see that the bears took it all the way back down and closed right near the open. And although we were higher by $1.28, this very long wick to the upside is a potential indicator that this could be a reversal and a topping pattern. So a lot of these stocks you'll see wicks to the upside, and I challenge you to go through your list of stocks and see what happened in the day's action. If there's a long wick, which could be a potential reversal sign.